Have you ever wondered what happens inside a luxury leather factory? Today, we're going on an exclusive tour of a place where one of the world's most unique materials is transformed into million-dollar products. Welcome to the world of zebra leather manufacturing. Our journey begins with the raw material itself, zebra hides. These aren't just any hides. They are sourced under strict regulations that ensure wildlife conservation and ethical practices. Each hide is unique, with its own distinct pattern of stripes, meaning no two final products will ever be exactly the same. The first step is preservation. The hides are salted to prevent decay, a traditional and effective method that prepares them for the long process ahead. After salting, the hides arrive at the tannery. Here, the real transformation starts. The first major stage is called the beam house operations. The hides are soaked in large drums of water to rehydrate them and wash away the salt and any dirt. This is a crucial step to restore the hide's natural moisture content. Following the soak, they undergo a process called liming, where they are treated with a lime solution. This isn't just for cleaning. It strategically loosens the hair and swells the collagen fibers, making the next steps possible. Once the hair is loosened, it's time for dehairing. The hides are run through machines with dull blades that carefully scrape away the hair without damaging the precious striped pattern underneath. It's a delicate balance of force and precision. After dehairing, the hides go through another series of chemical treatments to remove the lime and other unwanted proteins. This is called deliming and baiting. Baiting uses enzymes to soften the hide, giving it a much more flexible and supple feel. The result is a clean, hairless skin, which is now called a pelt. Next up is one of the most critical stages, tanning. Tanning is the process that converts the perishable pelt into durable, long-lasting leather. There are several methods, but for high-end exotic leathers like zebra, a method called chrome tanning is often used. The pelts are tumbled in massive drums with chromium salts. This process stabilizes the collagen in the skin, making it resistant to bacteria, moisture, and wear. This is what gives leather its incredible longevity. The pelts, which were once pale, now take on a characteristic pale blue color, earning them the nickname wet blue. The wet blue hides are still far from finished. They are thick and saturated with water. So, the next step is to remove excess moisture. A machine called a samming machine presses the hides between large rollers, squeezing out a significant amount of water. After this, a splitting machine comes into play. This machine is amazing. It can slice the hide horizontally into precise layers, ensuring a uniform thickness for the final product. For luxury goods, consistency is key. A shaving machine then further refines the thickness with incredible accuracy, sometimes down to a fraction of a millimeter. With the thickness perfected, the leather can be retanned and dyed. Retanning involves adding more tanning agents and special oils, a process known as fat liquoring. This step is vital for determining the leather's final softness, flexibility, and feel. The oils penetrate deep into the fibers, lubricating them and preventing the leather from becoming stiff or brittle over time. Then comes the color. While zebra leather is prized for its natural black and white stripes, the white parts can be dyed to create stunning, custom designs. Dyes are applied in large, rotating drums to ensure even penetration and a vibrant, lasting color that won't fade. Now we enter the finishing stages, where the leather surface is perfected. The dyed leather is carefully stretched and dried. This can be done by toggling, where it's clipped onto a large frame, or by vacuum drying, which uses suction and heat to dry the leather flat. Once dry, the surface might feel a little rough. To achieve that smooth, luxurious feel, the leather is conditioned and staked. Staking involves mechanically massaging the leather to make it soft and pliable. It's like a spa day for the leather. The final touch is the finish. A protective top coat is applied. This isn't just for shine. It seals the leather, protecting it from stains, scratches, and UV light. This coating can be matte, glossy, or anywhere in between, depending on the desired look for the final product, whether it's for a high-fashion handbag, a pair of bespoke shoes, or luxurious upholstery for a private jet. Each hide is then meticulously inspected. Quality control is ruthless here. Experts examine every square inch for imperfections, checking the color consistency, texture, and thickness. Only the absolute best pieces receive the final stamp of approval. From the factory, these perfectly finished hides are shipped to the world's most exclusive workshops and design houses. Here, master artisans take over. They are the ones who will cut, stitch, and craft this incredible material into the final luxury products we see in high-end boutiques. The process is a testament to the skill and dedication required at every single step, from the initial hide preservation to the final stitch. Seeing the entire journey, from a raw, salted hide to a finished piece of luxury leather, is truly remarkable. It's a blend of age-old traditions and modern technology, of chemistry and artistry. It's a complex and painstaking process that justifies the value of these extraordinary items. The beauty of the final product is a direct result of the immense care and precision invested at every stage. Thanks for joining us on this inside look at the fascinating world of zebra leather manufacturing. It's a world where nature's art meets human craftsmanship. If you found this journey as interesting as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive behind-the-scenes content. See you in the next video.